Hello teachers. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to teach adjectives in an interactive way. So for this, I have this canvas already set up with me. And in this, the kind of features that I have used on myViewBoard whiteboard software is this background management tool to get this appropriate background for my activity. Apart from that, I have also used this text using the text option right here to insert text or heading on my canvas. Now, this activity is regarding describing words that can be used for different animals. So on my next page, I already have a few widgets with me from the education animals section. Let me quickly show you how to add these widgets. They are available right here in the magic box. When you click on magic box, go to this option called your online widgets. When you click here, you will initially find 4 categories: animals, sport, daily necessities, and nature. Click on animal and select all those animals which you would want to bring on your screen. So I can try bringing this giraffe. What I'll do is I'll simply drag and drop. And here is my giraffe. If I want to increase the size of this, I can simply click on it and expand its size like this. So what is this activity about? So we have 4 different animals, and we all know that there can be a variety of describing words that can be used for these different animals. So as a scaffolding activity initially, I have already placed a few words on my right hand side which could go well with some of them. Okay, so there could be a group of words that could set well with each of these animals. So simply by asking them first about which animal is it, and then using the widgets tool, showing them a few functions that the animal can perform. So let's see the first one. The first animal is, yes, you guessed it right, it's a rabbit. So here we have 2 options, 2 activities that it can actually perform. So let's see how that looks like. If I click on jump here, so something like this happens. And if I click on eat, of course the rabbit is going to eat, right? Now, of course, by discussing about the kind of animals we have on the canvas right now and showing a few activities that is available through widgets tool on myViewBoard whiteboard software, you can actually ask the students to have a look at these words and try to place them to the corresponding animal which describes them well. So let's take a look at the very first word, that is dangerous. Do you think a describing word like dangerous fits well with rabbit? I don't think so. So how about a lion? Do you think a describing word like dangerous fits well to describe a lion? I think so. Could be. Yes. So in that case, what we can do is we can simply go to this word dangerous and place it next to or below lion. Wow, this was easy. And how did this happen? How did I actually make two copies of the word dangerous? One being right here and one that I've already assigned to one of these animals, that is my lion, right? So let me quickly erase all the annotations and show you how to add a word using text. So to add a word, to add text, you simply need to click here. And wherever you click now, you can actually type your word. So I'm going to type huge. Okay. Now, of course, to match it with the kind of other words, how they look like, I will need to change how huge looks like. So what I'm going to do is I am going to place it here and I'm going to select all of it and I'm going to change the color. And also the background color of this is white. So I'm going to change that to white. So this will help you in changing the background color of the text and this will help you in changing the color of the text. Now it looks like the other word. So I'm going to place it over here, right? And now using the select tool, I'm going to click on this. Now the moment you click on any word, you will have this dialog box appear right over here, right next to it. And here you will actually find an option called infinite copy. What this option does for you is it makes infinite copies for that particular word, image, any object on your canvas that you select. So I'm going to use this option, that is infinite copy. Now all the words that are displayed over here are in this format only. They have infinite copies. So what it does is if I select huge now, and if I want to take it and place it to a giraffe, so I can simply do that by selecting that and placing it over here. So let's say if a child says that hungry goes for giraffe also as well as rabbit also, because both of them show activities that display that typically goes with an adjective like that of a hungry, right? So we can simply click here and place this adjective for both the animals like this, because it's not sure that only one adjective will go with only one animal. So this way, your activity can be even more interactive if you make good use of making infinite copies. In fact, same goes for something like an activity which involves marking true or false. So you can just have two um, blocks where you have written T and where you have written F. So if there are a number of statements, if you want to keep putting true or false based on your students' feedback, so you can just make infinite copy of that and take it to that particular statement. So that's how useful making infinite copies can be when you're trying to make interactive plans. So this was today's plan, talking about how you can actually teach adjectives using various features of myViewBoard whiteboard software. Here I've actually made good use of including widgets on my screen. I changed my background. I also included this image from images right over here. And I also included the text using this T. Thank you. I hope you like like this plan. And I hope you all will make good use of myViewBoard whiteboard to make your plans even more engaging, fun, and interactive.